Hey guys, Carlton Brown with Bon Appetit, y'all. And we are here in the kitchen and we're actually putting gift baskets and orders together to ship out for the holidays and for special gifts. This is a great time right now to get your orders in and go ahead and ship them early, because right now there's so much uncertainty with the shipping that's going on across the country because of COVID and everything else, and they are predicting that as we get closer to Christmas, it's going to be much more difficult, and the possibility of getting your orders there on time might be slim to none. So this is a great time to go ahead and get your orders in now. And I just wanted to show you some of the things that we're doing and introduce you to our products. So here along the table we've got some items that we're going to be shipping out here shortly, and just wanted to introduce you personally to some of these products. We've got a great fun line of barbecue sauces. So we've got a rosemary mustard barbecue sauce. It has so much flavor, it's crazy. This is our newest release, our sassy barbecue sauce. It's more of a pit style barbecue sauce, really good. Then we've got a couple of jams. This is really popular, a Pinot Noir red wine jelly. Another really fun barbecue sauce here, our root beer. And then another couple of jams here, our strawberry basil jam, which is crazy. Peach bourbon, very popular, delicious, full of flavor. And I'd have to say this is our most popular, our bacon bourbon whiskey. We've got a couple of others here, apple shallot chutney, which is really delicious. And then we just launched a brand new line of artisan gourmet ketchups. You see all four of them here, which is our cranberry ketchup, roasted red pepper, peach, and our maple bourbon. And of course we've got a huge line of seasonings. This is just a few right here. We've got our Herbalicious, which is our all-purpose, a garlic pepper. Talk about tasty seasoning, everything bagel, really fun. Creole seasoning, and our Cajun blackened seasoning. So if you place your orders now, they will arrive in a beautiful box like this with my smiling face on it. And inside, very well packaged. You don't have to worry about it getting there, just a jar in a box. We wrap it up very beautifully. You see the little wrap, whatever you want to call this. We've got some cards in here to explain what you're getting, and sort of a little thank you there. But they come very well wrapped, so they can open them up on Christmas Day or anytime, and you don't have to worry about what it's going to look like. They're very beautifully packed. If you decide to purchase, which is a really great idea, to purchase a subscription for that foodie lover in your life, they would get 2 of these items, or 2 of the entire selection, because this is not the entire selection, but 2 selections each month with special recipes to show you how to use these items in a more creative way than they're traditionally meant for. Here's an example here. We've got our a chipotle chicken croquette with spicy mustard sauce. We use our rosemary mustard barbecue sauce in that. We've got our apple pie quesadilla. Crazy, and we use our apple shallot chutney in that. Here's another vinaigrette that we made with one of our items, and then a smashed fingerling with jalapenos. So guys, you've got a beautiful selection of things. It's a great time to get your orders in, and don't have to worry about the holiday rush. And I promise you, your recipients will find that all of these items will have them licking their fingers. You can't go wrong, but you need to get your orders in now. All right, so Carlton Brown with Bon Appetit, y'all. I'm signing off. Have a great one. I look to see your order soon. Reach us at BAY, that's Bon Appetit, y'all, BAY by Carlton.com, and we look forward to your order and getting it shipped out. All right, peace, and have a wonderful holiday.